This take and make craft is making a house. And in your kit, you will receive a piece of paper to be the roof, some squares to be houses and doors or chimneys, and a paper bag to be the house. All you need at home is some glue, tape, or glue stick, and some markers, and some recycled paper or newspaper. And we'll get started. First, you take your bag and open it. Put inside a piece of paper. And then you fold it. And I put the roof on first. And you can use a stapler or tape. Now you have a roof. If you like, you can add a chimney. I will use a little glue for that. I'll start over. Here's your chimney. And I have 2 doors. I just drew on the doorknob. You can decorate your roof with a marker and draw shingles. You could also build some trees. There's my door. Put some windows on. You could draw curtains, or you could draw people or animals looking outside your windows. There's my front door. I'll put a back door. Some more windows. I like a house with a lot of windows. There. Here's your house.